So I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnails for either Instagram or YouTube. So the first thing, you're going to go into this website called ThumbMagic.co. It's really amazing. So click on login and log in with your Gmail account or whichever account you use to set up. So the first thing you do is, so these are the thumbnails I've made so far. Just giving you an idea. Let me open this for you. So let me click on a date actually. So I did this one. So this one is for an Instagram account and that I want to run free live tech training on. So I just have this there. So anyway, so go back to the home page by clicking on this magic icon here and click on create thumbnail. So now you can create thumbnail from a YouTube link, like if you already uploaded your videos on YouTube, you can copy the link and paste it here, and it will process itself and make your thumbnail. Or you can, upload the video directly here, either in MP4, MOV, or whichever version that your video is on, but it cannot be more than 5 gig. Or you can actually just paste the transcript um of your video. So let's say you have a script or you have a transcript, you can paste the transcript here. And I use this function a lot because most times I want to have my thumbnail ready before I upload it on YouTube. And when I use the upload function, sometimes the file might be too heavy. So, but when it's transcript, it's easier to read and it works faster. So I'm going to use an example. I have these short videos that I made. I want to use it as an example. So it requires scripts. I'm going to copy this first script here, and I'm going to go to Magic and paste it here as my transcript. For example, this is the transcript I want to use for this thumbnail. So you click on process transcript. Um, Like I said, these work better for me. It's faster for me. You can see it already moved me to the next page. When I usually put YouTube links or upload a video, especially my videos are actually heavy, it takes a longer time. Now, coming here, one of the first thing you want to do is if you have a new Tub Magic account, you want to set up an avatar. So this is a paid account, but I know they do give you free trial. So to create an avatar, you click on create avatar. You upload the photo of your avatar. You name your avatar. So I can name this avatar Flow Wealth 4. Um, then you upload a photo, drag a photo here. So I'm gonna use this photo here. Um, then I'll click on create avatar. So it should be front facing, something very visible. All right. So now, the next step is to choose a template. If you want to produce something for YouTube, you click on YouTube and you see all the templates for YouTube. Then if you want to produce something for Instagram, you click on Instagram and you can see some of the options for Instagram or TikTok. So in this case, I'm going to try and do something YouTube related. And now, one of the trick I want to show you is, for example, you don't want to use something like this as your thumb. You don't want to have a thumbnail template like this. You have a very great idea. Now there's this function called replicate templates. Now this function, you use this function when you have, maybe you've seen a template somewhere online and you want your thumbnail to look like that template. So I'm going to go on to YouTube and get a template from YouTube. So this is where I'm going to go to home so I can search for like a general YouTube template out there. Now, now let's say I'm just looking through right here. on any template that I think it's a little bit different from what they gave me. So let's see. So let's use something like this. And this template has a lot of things going on in the background. So I'm going to copy this link here by clicking on, let's see here. Okay, actually the share, there's this share icon here. So I'm going to click on share and click on copy. Now I'm going to go back to ThumbMagic and click on replicate templates. Now it's going to tell you to use any YouTube thumbnail to use as a template model. The AI will analyze the template and adapt it to your content. So I'm going to paste it here. You can see that it automatically just pulled out what the thumbnail looks like, right? So I'm going to say use this template. And I find this function very interesting. I love it. So with all of this, all you have to do next is to generate your templates. So by clicking on this generate thumbnail, yeah. So this is going to take about 1 to 2 minutes to actually do its stuff. So we can come back here pretty soon. All right, so there you go. It has given me a template, as you can see. Now, this was my original template that had a lot of things going on in the background, and this is what it gave me. I don't think this is bad. So it usually gives you two thumbnail options. Let's look at the other one. So this is the other one, 5 ways to save with chat on the background. So when you're done with your templates, let me see here. So you can modify it. Actually, let me show you this. You click on modify. So let's say you don't like anything here. Maybe you want to add extra text or you want to change what is written here. You come to this add text here. You have the option to add a text, right? So you can come here and say 5 ways to save. Let me delete what is there. And I want to say in 2026. So you can do that. So if I click on it, so you click on save actually. Oops. Okay, so you're able to like move this text around. So I have moved it. You can change the font of it. I can change this to 60 or 70. Then you can drag it, just to get that size and position it here. Whichever way. So let's say you don't like something around this, you want to change the clothing I have. So you can come here, still on modify, you click on what you want to change, then you can say something change the shirts to um a blouse. Hopefully that is a blouse, should be a top, hopefully. So let's click on generate and see what it gives us. So click on generate here. Yeah, so this is what it gives us, so which is not bad. So yeah, this is how to edit it. When you're done, you click on download and you can download your thumbnail, which is ready. So just the same way, the other option is to create Instagram or TikTok. So you come here and pick a template. So I'm gonna use let's use this template here where the background is quite dramatic. So when you come here, you can click on generate thumbnail, then it kind of tells generate something Instagram size related for you. Yeah, so this is what it gave me, which is not bad actually. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, so it gave me this. However, the face doesn't look a lot like me, but this other one is also almost similar. One of the things I do is I use this particular avatar of myself, which is always consistent no matter what, when I use it. But so far, when you're done with this avatar, you can modify, like I said, based on what I picked, there was no text in the background, it was just more on background. If you want to add a text, you can actually come here and come, like I said, add a text. Yes, save more now. Yeah, I can do that and just put it at the top here. And now, let's say you want this person to look surprised. You come here and change the emotion, and you put the emotion surprise, whichever. Oops, upgrade to where. Okay, so it says I need to upgrade, but yes. But you can, let's see here. Oh, great. Okay, interesting stuff. But yeah, so that's, you can actually make the emotions, look surprised and all of that. So I'm gonna see if I can change this. So change the stars. Maybe I want like something like CCTV. Still an upgrade required, which is very weird. But yes, that's more of what's like right now. I don't want to pay beyond what I have paid already. I think this still looks good for my Instagram and TikTok profile. So I will not be changing any of it. With Yeah, I don't want to pay much. But yes, that's pretty much what it is. And when you're done, you click on download and you are ready to go. So thank you so much for watching the end of this video, and do not forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Once again, my name is Flowealth, and keep watching.